So I first started learning leatherwork about 6 years ago with some small courses in Hong Kong and also at the College of Fashion. And then up until last year, I spent 3 months in Florence to learn the Scuola del Cuoio. So one of the biggest learning curve for me in leatherwork is the pattern making. There is a mathematics and a precision to this process, because when you translate that into leather, every millimeter counts. The great thing about Quest is that I get to show people that there is actually traditional skills in making these pieces. One of the biggest part and biggest challenge of my work is getting my name and my brand out there and educating the audience and the clients about the intricacies of the craft itself. The bags I design are often colourful and very contemporary, and often audiences tend to miss the skill set that's behind in making them. I'm excited about taking my business in a more experimental direction in the future, and especially with the challenge with John Smedley to create an item of clothing that blends knitwear with leather. It's something I'm really looking forward to.